In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print sequential number labels using Microsoft Word and Excel. This method is perfect for creating numbered tickets, inventory tags, product labels, or any situation where you need a series of labels with automatically increasing numbers. By combining Excel and Word's mailmerge feature, you can generate and print them quickly and accurately. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and create a new blank workbook. In the first cell, type a header for your numbers, such as number. Below that header, enter the starting number for your sequence. In the next cell down, enter the next number in the sequence. Highlight both cells, then click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection downward. Excel will automatically continue the sequence for as many rows as you need. Once your list is complete, save the file in a location you can easily find. Next, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Go to the Mailings tab on the ribbon and click Start Mailmerge. From the drop-down menu, choose Labels. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select your label brand and product number. Choose the label type that matches the labels you plan to print, then click OK. Word will generate a sheet with a grid that matches your label layout. Now, connect your Excel file. Click Select Recipients in the Mailings tab and choose Use an existing list. Locate and select the Excel file you just created. If prompted, select the correct worksheet and confirm that your data includes headers. Place your cursor in the first label cell. Click Insert Merge field and select the number field from your Excel list. Format the number as desired, adjusting font size or alignment if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click Update Labels to copy the formatting to all label cells. To preview your numbered labels, click Preview Results. You should now see each label displaying a different sequential number. If everything looks correct, click Finish and Merge, then choose Print Documents. Confirm your print settings, load your label sheets into the printer, and print. And that's it! Using Excel to generate the sequence and Word's mailmerge feature to format and print the labels allows you to create professional sequential number labels quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.